Hello tech fan, I have something for you. Today's video is all about the sound card, the Lightning to USB-C or the Lightning to USB, and you want to charge your mobile phone, especially the iPhone guys, or your laptop while doing your podcasting, or you want to listen the music and you want to charge your mobile phone at the same time. And now this is for you guys, the ProMate. This is a durable, a sleek looking brand, and it's not cheap. It is just $50 guys. Media hub, lightning connectors. The brand is ProMate. Say, look at this is USB, headphone jack, and lightning to lightning input, and the output is another lightning and headphone jack 3.5 and the USB. Let's check this bad boy guys. I purchased this because for this iPhone 13 Pro Max for my podcasting plug and play. All right, join me guys. Very good looking. It's a legit, looks like very professional packaging guys. That's your front. And media sharing simple, that's the item right there. The packaging guys is very cool. You know, there's an explanations, the USB, the headphone jack, the speaker or earphone, and that's the lightning. And look at the box guys, it's a magnetic, cool. The brand is ProMate. It says there, ProMate innovations and excellence. Yeah. All right, let's take this bad boy out. I'll start at the bottom guys, because I'm gonna put it back. Voila. All right, this is the bad boy right here. So you got your ProMate here. Download the quick guide. 3-in-1 lightning and connector. Let's put this aside. And voila, this is the hero among the hero. ProMate. That's at the back, and that is your jack, lightning, the headphone, and the USB. Now let's start guys. Let's do a testing. I should have make this bigger Yeti, but for the sake of the video, we will use this mini USB. I'll just check the USB guys. All right, so okay, the moment of truth. Put this on the, let's see guys if it is compatible to the latest iPhone Lightning, iPhone Pro Max 13. The moment of truth guys. Boom. Yeah, it is working guys. Wow, that is working right there. Okay, and now we will check this is our lightning. Boom. Okay, look at that, it's charging. I got me 100% guys, but it's charging. Okay, let's check. This is compatible to a very latest lightning jack guys. All right, okay, it's off that one. Hello right there. And this one, look at the blue guys. Okay, I'll turn it off. Okay, it's not. And the green, yeah, let's mute. Yeah, the mute and mute. it is working, guys. To prove that it's working, alright, let's check the tab. This is my 3.5 Sennheiser jack, guys. Okay, the Sennheiser jack has this one. All right, let's see if okay. Yes, guys. Hello. Yeah, it is working. I can hear it. What about in here? Let's check here, guys. Let's check here. Test mic. Yes, it is working, guys. So yeah, that's how you do it. This is the magic word, guys. This is where the PROMATE hero, I call it hero, you know, put it at my maximum use. There, boom, that's the one right there. So okay, it is working, and that is compatible for the latest iPhone Pro, iPhone 13 Pro Max. And that is my USB. Check. And now it's working. Okay, guys, thank you for joining me, and that is our video today for this bad boy, the PROMATE Lightning to USB-C. The input, guys, is Lightning and USB, and the 3.5 headphone jack. All right, guys, thank you so much. Again, let's check. Mute, unmute. It is working. That is for my video. Thank you, guys. That is the PROMATE USB-C to Lightning. And peace out.